Can I hear you? Are you here? Are you excited? We're gonna unveil the most important car of the next decade for automotive Lamborghini. So I think it's a pretty important moment in one of the top markets in the world. Lamborghini is coming from a very great year. We are a multi-billion company. We are pushing 60 years. We are in great shape, very pleased to say. And this is allowing us to invest and create new products like never before. Okay, here they coming. So, all these possibilities for a company that is independent, plug-in hybrid, not just independent V12. And so, you know, this is in line with what we want to do. We want to be fully hybrid by 2025, reduce emissions by 50% by 2025. So big challenge. This is starting already to reduce its emissions from Aventador in comparison by 30%. And by the end of the decade, you will also see a fully electric product. But again, today, we have a naturally aspirated V12 engine here. And this is what we wanted to do, and we have shipped to us something that is sustainable, even if it has a beautiful natural aspirated engine inside. And it's even without the bonnet, so you will see it later. It's beautiful. So, let me just tell you a word about this car. I said that it was an opportunity to deal with electrification and sustainability. It is, because we have found a way to add performance by reducing the emissions. So it's a perfect combination. I have to show you the car, but before we do this, please have a look at this video.
Look at this. Lamborghini Revuelto. Revuelto? What is it?
Revuelto.
Revuelto.
Revuelto?
You're gonna be on my YouTube, buddy.
Okay.
Say, you Revuelto.
I gotta do this.
Dude, this interior, dude. It's amazing. Switch. Start it up. Oh, the keys right here. You could start up if you really wanted to. Look at this.
Say hello, my friend.
Well, hello there, my friend. I love this. Look at this. Holding it upside down. Lamborghini. Put the keys right there.
McLaren though, where it's kind of
It's like all McLaren, dude. Look at this interior.
Say so. Alright, we'll see you later.
Woo! Ciao, man.
Bye.
See you later. Soft close. So this little, what is
With
this?
the Alcantara.
Chad, what do you think, man? What do you think?
You know what? This is the car. Now that they have a dual clutch transmission,
Right?
this is the car.
This is the
You
car.
can get a V12.
Naturally aspirated V12.
Over 1,000 horsepower.
Woo! 1,000 horsepower. Look at this thing. My goodness.
Time to open the doors. Let's get out of here.
You want to get out? I'm
Like out.
Out.
Not
Let's
out.
drive. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. All right. All right. Let's. I don't know. It feels good though on the seat, eh? It feels good. Look at this.
I think it's gonna drive a lot better than the other one.
Back engine. Look at the back engine. Don't forget about that. Where's the plutonium? Where did they put the plutonium?
They have a
The plutonium.
flux capacitor in here.
Right? I'm looking for the flux capacitor.
There it
Cutting
is.
in your video here. I think now. Frank! Look at this card. I don't even know how to get out of here. Hold on. What do I do? Push. There you go. It's push button.
Oh, buddy.
Buddy, this thing's amazing. Good job, buddy.
So nice.
Thank you.
Only one truck.